In a world where the essence of spiritual teachings is often diluted, a profound book emerges to guide us back to the core of our faith. Presenting Speaking Strongly in the Service of Srila Prabhupada by His Holiness Bhakti Vikasa Swami. This captivating and enlightening book takes you on a journey deep into the heart of the Krishna consciousness movement, where the teachings of Srila Prabhupada shine brightly. In a time when the straightforward preaching of Krishna consciousness is often questioned, this book is a beacon of wisdom, reminding us of the words of Srila Prabhupada himself. Srila Prabhupada's simple yet profound message, "Our business is to repeat the words of Krishna, that's all," forms the foundation of this transformative work. Dive deep into the timeless wisdom presented by His Holiness Bhakti Vikasa Swami as he explores the importance of strong and clear preaching in the service of Srila Prabhupada.
I made this book because nowadays in our International Society for Krishna Consciousness, this kind of speaking is often considered improper, and there's preaching against strong and clear preaching, and much of what goes on in the name of preaching is actually avoiding the real message of Bhagavad Gita. So Srila Prabhupada preached strongly and clearly, and he wanted his followers to do so. That is the theme of this book. Please have a look at it and try to understand what is Srila Prabhupada's actual mission, his mood, how he presented Krishna consciousness. This book gives some light on that, light on a major aspect of Srila Prabhupada's preaching which we don't hear much about nowadays.
Speaking Strongly in the Service of Srila Prabhupada delves into the nuances of preaching, addressing arguments that may challenge the essence of our mission. Whether you're a seasoned devotee or a seeker of truth, this book offers a profound understanding of our duty as followers of Krishna consciousness. As Srila Prabhupada's appearance day approaches, let us reflect on what he wanted from his disciples and grand disciples. Speaking Strongly in the Service of Srila Prabhupada is the guide that will help you fulfill this vision. Rediscover the power of strong and clear preaching in the service of Srila Prabhupada. Order your copy now and let your spiritual journey begin. This book is available at books.bvks.com and all leading online platforms.